Ever wondered what mystery audits are and how they can benefit your business? Today, in the labyrinth of business strategies, there exists a secret tool that can provide invaluable insights into your company's performance. This tool is known as a mystery audit. Now you might be asking, what exactly is a mystery audit? A mystery audit, also known as a mystery shopping or secret shopping, is a method used by companies to measure the quality of service, compliance with regulations, and gather specific information about products and services. It's as intriguing as it sounds, with a touch of James Bond-style espionage. Picture this: an individual known as a mystery shopper visits a store, restaurant, or any other business pretending to be a regular customer. This individual will then evaluate their whole experience, from the cleanliness of the establishment to the friendliness of the staff, the quality of the product or service, and even the ease of transaction. They then provide a comprehensive report filled with objective data and personal observations to the company. The beauty of mystery audits is that they offer an unbiased view of a company's operations. They provide a fresh perspective, free from the internal biases that may exist within the company. This allows businesses to see themselves through the eyes of their customers, which is a powerful tool for improvement. Mystery audits can reveal numerous insights, from minor operational hiccups to significant customer service issues. They can identify staff training needs, help in the evaluation of product and service delivery, and even assess how well a company's policies and procedures are being implemented. These audits can also highlight the strengths of the company, showcasing areas where the business excels. In today's competitive business world, customer satisfaction is the key to success. With mystery audits, companies can ensure they are meeting and exceeding customer expectations. They can make necessary adjustments based on the findings of the audit, leading to improved customer service, enhanced customer loyalty, and ultimately, increased profitability. To sum up, mystery audits are a powerful tool in the business world. They provide an unbiased view of a company's operations, identify areas for improvement, and ensure customer satisfaction. By implementing mystery audits, businesses can stay ahead of the competition, ensuring they provide top-notch service and products to their customers. So, the next time you're in a store, restaurant, or any other business, remember, the person next to you could be a mystery shopper, quietly evaluating everything around them. And who knows, maybe one day you'll decide to use this secret tool for your own business. It's a fascinating world we live in, isn't it? Stay curious, keep learning, and until next time, remember, knowledge is power. Now go out there and conquer the business world.